Okay ah.
Sa camera po titingin.
Mag-asawa. Maka
Last na po, last po. Last shot po yan. Ito. Last shot po.
Life that you have given to our dear Aubrey. We ask you, dear God, to hold her hands as she walks and enters a new chapter of her life.
Once again, calling the 8 Roses participants, please assemble yourselves outside from
With me. He's also one of her YOLO peeps and sometimes her bond when it comes to their class in theology. Romaso. He's very quiet, but when they heard his infectious laugh, Quentin resist. Our next rose, O.J. Romaso. Okay, that concludes the 18 roses. Thank you very much. Please take a bow, everyone. Thank you. We will now take your seats.
I know we make everyone weep tonight, just in quiet. Savor every moment. I can see all the tears from your eyes, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give them a big hand. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Luis Cirilo and Aubrey Francesca Cirilo. Where debutants, closest friends, and relatives will give their well wishes.
Good day, Aubrey. I wish you all the happiness in the world. I hope all your birthday dreams come true. I love you.
Thank you very much.
All the good things in life. May God bless you more, and always remember that I'll always be here for you as your friend, your sister, your tita, and of course your partner. Happy birthday, Parts. I love you.
Thank you very much, Shampoo. Next.
Happy 18th birthday, Aubrey. Lagi mo nang tatandaan all years here for you. And God bless. Mag-aral ka mabuti. And I love you.
Thank you. To brighten up the evening, Acel Opus.
Oh, happy birthday. Ilang years na tayo magkaibigan. Basta lagi mo tatandaan, nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Kapag may problema, PM mo lang kami. Alam mo yan. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much, Felma. Next is Miss Aurea Bustamante.
Happy birthday. Happy 18th. Sana matupad lahat ng wishes mo. And ingat ka lagi. God bless. Love you.
Anna Roque.
Happy 18th birthday. Just always remember na nandito kami palagi, mga kaibigan mo, to listen to all your sentiments. And sana lahat ng wishes mo, I love you.
Thank you very much, Alana. May we call on Felma Gutierrez.
Oh, happy birthday. Ilang years na tayo magkaibigan.
Aurea Bustamante.
Happy birthday! Ayun, sana sabay tayo nag-graduate na Tomasha na. Promise yan. At tapos, I wish you good health, success in life.
And next we have Jasmine Valdez.
Happy birthday, Aubrey! Di ka namin iiwan. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. I love you.
Thank you, Miss Valdez. Next.
Hi, Aubrey. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Huwag ka naman basta study hard. Dito lang kami kalalabas. Love you, Mama Chuchu.
Hi all! Happy 18th birthday! Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Kung kailangan basta text na lang. Love you!
Hi, kapatid. Kapatid, even ka na. At ito, kasama sa inyong candles ko. Hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Pero syempre, ito. Kahit ayoko talaga. Ganito eh. Ayun to. Salamat kasi lagi ka nandyan. Kahit salbahe ka. Pero wala, sa isa't isa naman sweet naman eh. Kahit hindi natin nasasabi sa isa't isa, ganun tayo. Tapos yun, pakabait ka, dito lang kami parate. Pag may problema ka. O yun, sige na, good luck sa'yo. Happy birthday!
Thank you very much. Next, may we call on Jenny Ballesteros.
Hi, Ogs. So, ito. Kanina, akala hindi talaga ako makapunta kasi na-stuck ako sa training. Pero since hindi naman ako talk shit, so nandito ako ngayon. So, sabihin na thank you. Thank you kasi isa ka sa mga tao na niwala sa akin. Alam mo ni UAAP. Sobrang natuwa ako nung kasi di ba sinabi sa inyo. Tapos parang hindi ko sinabi sa inyo, tapos surprise kayo. Tapos parang sa, Coach, hindi ka naman ganyan. Thank you sa pag-push sa akin and thank you sa pang-aasar sa akin. Napilay ako. Napanantod, yes, sure, something. Pero thank you. Thank you kasi lagi ka andyan. Alam mo yun. Always remember that I will always and forever will be here for you. I love you. Love you. Yan lang, mahal you.
Hi, Ogs! Happy birthday! Yes, dalaga na rin sa Kinulis. Ayun, basta... Sino ka lagi everything? Magkano high blood? Zero beauty ko. Basta always remember na mahal ka ng peace. Sige natin yan. Yun lang.
happy birthday. Kahit na minsan hindi tayo nakakaibigan. Basta, pag may, nandito lang ako palagi. Tapos kahit pa tayo yung BFF first, ha? Happy birthday, Audrey.
Thank you very much. And now, Angie.
So, kahit ngayon ko lang din ako nangingin tanda ako dalawa ng invitation board. Yun, so thank you sa una yung na-meet kita ka lang sa agency. So, doon nakala ko kasama si Faye. Ayun, so thank you sa lahat ng pang-aasar mo sa akin. Hindi ko makakalimutan yun sa e-learn stage.
only one. Babe. Parang nag-iisa lang. Teka muna, dito ako sa taas. Kasi lalaki niya rin, sa isa lang ba? Okay, to my one and only babe, kakambal, no? Sabi nga, replika mo daw siya. Sana na lang, hindi yung ugali ko. Okay? Bawas-bawasan ng init ng ulo. Tama? Okay. Please, ang wish ko lang,
May now be seated. And of course, hihingan din natin ng special message si Dad Manny.
Sabi na eh, maging okay, ate. Lahat na sabi na, maging ate. Ang masabi ko lang, one thing I want to inspire to divine girl na in everything you do, okay. Ando kami ni Mami mo. Kami to support you. We're always be on their side. Focus sa studies mo. Okay? Sige. Enjoy the night. Birthday.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Manny.
Aubrey, happiest 18th birthday. So, my wish for you is that may you be successful in your chosen career path, find wisdom when it is needed, and always heed the advice of your elders. So again, happiest 18th birthday.
Big head, everyone. Moving on to Mr. Ralph Aaron Garcia.
ano, napakatalinong bata. Alam mo naman na dapat tama at mali sa program niya. Yan lang, kailangan na kung may hindi ka maunawaan, tayo pala sa amin. Tama na. Happy birthday.
Thank you. How about Mr. NG Garcia?
I wish you all the best in success in your future. And I'm very thankful to our God Almighty for your life. And in this special occasion, I will promise to you to be a good Nino or Ninang. Pwede na ba yun? Parang kailan lang, bilis ng panahon, di ba? Kay kumare, kumpare. Hindi ko maisip ngayon na 18 years na pagkatuloy yung pag-aaral mo, sabi nga ng dati mo, maging mabait ka lalo. I love you. Happy 18th birthday. Thank you.
Next is Mr.
Happy birthday. Just be a good girl to your mom.
Okay, Mr. Ryan Jonda.
Happy birthday, Aubrey. I hope this is the beginning of a great year for you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Mr. Michael Itza.
Hi, Aubrey. Happy birthday. So, whatever you need sa friends ng side ng mama, so we're here for you. So, if ever mag-graduate ka o kaya you want to go to sales, lapit ka lang sa amin. Gusto mo na po sales. Salamat. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Miss Mary Ann Camila. And then, good health. Saka huwag kang mag-aalala kapag halimbawa kasama kami ng mami mo, kumbaga nasa mabuti siyang kalagayan. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you, Miss Gisela Arguelles.
just make sure to be a responsible one and always take care of your mom. Especially ngayon na ikaw yung unang tutulong sa kanya pagka-graduate mo. So, ayun, happy birthday and tomorrow yung birthday mo, so advance happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Next, of course, is Miss Carmen Tordesillas.
Advice is earn tons of money, live a fabulous life, enjoy your life, don't taint your reputation, and you have a very wonderful mom. She's not perfect, but she's wonderful, the best mom you'll ever have. So learn from her yung mga mabubuti. Happy birthday!
Thank you. Miss Sheila Carvalho.
You know, I'm so happy to see you grow. Tapos, we're so surprised how mature you are now. Even before we meet the boys, I'm so happy and so blessed to be your godmother. And then may you always be happy and bright as you are today. So, happy birthday, Aubrey. We love you so much. Si Danina will always be around for you.
Thank you. Next is another Nina, Miss Jasmine Tiblek.
Happy birthday. I only have one wish for you, and that is happiness. And happiness, I don't just mean the superficial happiness, but you know, the happiness that could only be found within. So, happy birthday, young woman. Have a great day.
Thank you. Next is Miss Pinky Sevilla.
Hi, Aubrey. I may not see you that often, pero I've seen you grow. From childhood, 18th birthday, ang bilis, tapos sa married life mo, always remember you can always run to us sa kailangan mo kami. Ako, as your Luna, and happy birthday to you. Stay happy.
Okay, thank you. Miss Rosaline Holman.
My first ever inaanak. So, I'm so proud of you na lumaki ka ng mabait na bata at napakaganda, manumana sa mga ninang. So, wish ko lang good life, happiness, and matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo and magkaroon ng magandang career in the near future. And happy birthday! Happy birthday! I love you, baby!
Thank you. There you go on, Miss Marisa Fajardo.
My wish for you, perhaps it's like any other parents who wish for their children to be successful in their life. I wish you also peace, happiness, and good health. At 18, maybe this is the start of your everything. I just wish that as you age, be a better person, God-fearing person. And I also wish that you will not disappoint your parents, of course, Tito Manny here, because they're the ones who guide and support you for years. And so much for my wishes. This is your day, this is your night. Have a wonderful birthday. And sincerely, I deeply appreciate the part of this celebration. Thank you.
Very well said, Miss Marisa Fajardo. Next is Miss Education of Life. Education of Life.
Nakalimutin ako eh. Sorry ah. Now, you're an adult now. You will have the power to control your own. But remember, the great power comes, greater responsibility. Educational plan.
Wow, educational
May
plan.
entertainment showcase na sa labas.
Thank you. Miss Angela Aspiras.
Hi, Aubrey, my dearest baby. Now that you're 18, you can start making every dream you have come true. Hoping you have the strength and courage to take this decisive step toward true happiness. And enjoy the moment. I love you and happy 18th birthday.
Thank you. Next is Miss Julian Nieto.
I'm pretty sure that you got your wish, your most wish has come true tonight, diba? And we're so happy for you. Now that you're a lady now, and I hope that you will act as a lady talaga, ha? And you stay the way you are, as beautiful as I am. As diba? That's in the back. Kidding aside, I wish you good luck, good health, success, and I hope you will achieve your goals in life. And I wish you more blessings to come, and be a good girl, study hard, and hopefully soon, but not with a boyfriend. Sabi naman, but I'm very happy talaga. And you're so beautiful tonight, Day Aubrey.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You know, I have no penny or thing to give you. And, you know, we don't only have one mother, but everything else. Happy birthday. I love you. Nandito lang ako lagi. Just a text away, kahit hindi, kahit tulog ako, kahit madaling araw, kahit anong oras, kahit anong kailangan mo. And you know that, nandito lang ako lagi para sa'yo. I love you, anak. Siya yung panganay ko talaga. Okay, thank you all so much, our grandmother.
I have no other wish for you but to stay as beautiful as you are. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Nag-effort na pumunta dito sa birthday ko. Sa mami ko, kay Lala, sa mga tita ko, tito ko, Nino, Nina, kay Mama, Lolo,